A top DNC staffer, Brad Marshall, going after Bernie Sanders' faith in one of the thousands of leaked emails sparking outrage. Here it is. It might make no difference, but for Kentucky, and we can get someone to ask his belief. Does he believe in God? He had skated on saying he has a Jewish heritage. I read he is an atheist. This could make several points difference with my peeps in West Virginia and Kentucky. My Southern Baptist peeps would draw a big difference between a Jew and an atheist. Amy Dacey, CEO of the DNC, subsequently responded, "Amen," according to these emails. Joining us right now is the creator and producer of the documentary Hillary's America, Dinesh D'Souza. Good to see you, Dinesh. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
What's your reaction to this email scandal?
Wow, I mean, this is the way the Clintons have operated for a long time. They always put their thumb on the scale. And so, ironically, you've got this party. It's called the Democratic Party. You think that they'd be democratic, i.e. have fair rules of election to give their people a fair shake, see who emerges on the top. That's not the case. It looks like Hillary was sort of the crown candidate from the beginning, and they were trying to sort of weigh this horse race to make sure that Bernie just ran a show candidacy, if you will.
Even on Saturday Night Live, they made a joke out of it, basically saying, look, this thing is so rigged, and, you know, how about, you know, when you won all of the people, but I still got all the super delegates. So there was speculation about this for a long time.
I mean, the irony is on the Republican side, you had this crowded race, 17 guys, a bitter cage fight. I mean, a lot of mutual acrimony and accusations. And yet, ironically, at the end of the day, the Republicans might come together more strongly because when you have a fair process, you can respect the winner. When the process is rigged, then you feel like you haven't lost, you've been cheated. And these are all themes in our movie. Our movie is, I think, intended to be a catalyst to unify the Republicans by pointing to the Clintons and saying, look, the Clintons don't really play by the rules. They never have. And that's partly what this election is about.